Welcome to 301 Webb Road, Uxbridge. A one-of-a-kind, picture-perfect 27-acre horse farm with rolling hills of lush green grass, pastures, groomed riding trails, a private spring-fed pond, mature towering trees, and meticulously manicured grounds. This property is a perfect 10 for nature lovers, equestrian, and hobby farmers. The sensational views and mesmerizing sunsets are absolutely captivating. Featuring a beautiful and tastefully updated 4-bedroom century home, a spacious detached 6-car garage with loft, an attached tractor barn with a 24 by 12-foot insulated shop, 5 separate solar panel arrays consisting of 72 maintenance-free panels, a large horse barn, 160 by 70-foot sand floor riding arena, wash station, and paddocks. The indoor riding arena, built in 2010, provides plenty of room for multiple horses to work at the same time. A dressage ring, show jump, or barrel racing course are easily accommodated. The area features LED lighting, a dust-free sand footing, and 5 8-foot functioning windows for brightness and ventilation. The barn has been renovated to house 13 stalls and includes an insulated feed room, 2 tack rooms, and a bathroom. The stall floors feature 3/4-inch rubber matting on sand. The property features many cross-country jumps over which riders can school and play. The varied terrain provides a perfect training ground for those riders seeking to condition and train their horses. A flat grassy area is used as a dressage ring and is also suitable for show jumping. As you enter the home, you are greeted by 10-foot ceilings on the main floor and the perfect mix of century charm and modern flair. The inviting family room boasts picturesque northern views and features custom built-in bookshelves and a welcoming, cozy gas fireplace. The recently updated family-sized eat-in kitchen is adorned with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a high-end Z-Line 6-burner propane stove and oven. Large windows and a walkout to the sun deck and hot tub provide for breathtaking views overlooking the hills and landscape. There are 4 large bedrooms, all with stunning views of the landscape, and 3 updated bathrooms. The primary bedroom is complete with a 3-piece ensuite and double closets. .301 Webb Road is located in the highly sought-after southwest corner of Uxbridge. The property is situated on approximately 27 acres and features an extensive network of groomed trails winding through the verdant landscape. Just minutes from Coppenwood Golf Club and the endless trail systems of the neighboring regional forests and conservation areas. Access to over 30 acres of hacking on groomed trails is an easy 10-minute ride up the road. Conveniently located just a short drive to the Lincolnville GO station and the amenities of Stouffville and Uxbridge. A short drive to Highway 407, Highway 404, and approximately 45 minutes to downtown Toronto. You have arrived at 301 Webb Road, Uxbridge. Country life next to the city. Welcome home.